Lego store in Orlando, Florida. Check out these cool Star Wars Lego builds. Wow, I think this is the Rise of Skywalker. Look how much detail there is. Awesome. There's a dragon. And what do we have over here? Oh, it's Anna and Elsa and Olaf. Very, very cool. Can't wait to get inside. And what is this? It's Buzz and Woody. How awesome. And we're finally inside. Check out how cool this place is. Wow, this is huge. What's that? We got a car, Mickey and Minnie Mouse over here. Oh, and look over here. It's the Duplo section. What do we have? Looks like there's some new stuff. A construction set, really big one, a small one. We've got some other pieces here. Very cool. Oh, nice train stuff. Oh, bulldozer. And more construction stuff. Oh, and Lightning McQueen and Tow Mater. How awesome. Alright, what else do we got over here? So we got a house. We got some house accessories. Ooh, it's an airport. Ooh, Batman and Robin. I hope we do a video for that soon. That'd be cool. We got a jungle. And we've got some police station, a firehouse. Oh, and then there's Spider-Man. Looks like Captain America. And a playground. That's pretty cool. Here's the airport. Very, very cool. What else do we got? Wow, that's a giant Adventureland. And we got a banner here. Look how big this place is. I'm gonna go explore some more stuff after this. Alright, let's take a look what else we got here. So we got the house built, that's pretty cool. And got some more Duplo, awesome. Fire station and a kitty cat up there. And there's the fire truck and the police station. Very, very cool. Alright, let's move along here. What other kind of stuff we got? We've got Lego City. Got some other types of Lego places. This place is awesome. Look how big it is. Oh. And now, one of our favorites, Lego City. Oh, check out that. That is so cool. Got a helicopter, it's a police car and truck. What else we got here? Alright, let's scan. Oh. Whoa, flashing lights. What's going on here? Oh, cool. Look how cool that is. We got a little movie playing. Oh, I love Lego City. Very, very cool. Alright, let's keep an eye on what's going on here. Ooh, we got an astronaut center here. That looks pretty cool. Get some more multimedia. This place is really, really awesome. We got a bunch of other stuff here. Lego City galore. This is like everything, almost everything they've ever built here. This is awesome. Airports, fire stations, police cars, buildings, trucks, cars, got a gas station, just train set, bunch of really, really cool stuff. Alright, let's keep it moving and see what other cool stuff we can find. Oh, more Star Wars stuff. Look at that. It's a Star Destroyer and a Resistance spaceship. Very, very cool. I bet that took a really long time to put together. Awesome. Oh, there's the Hulk. And it looks like there's more Star Wars stuff. Wow, look at these ships. A-Wing. I think I see some Sith fighters. We got a Millennium Falcon. Very cool. And I think that's Mandalorian ship. And if I see it, that's Baby Yoda. The child. Awesome. More ships. Very cool. And there are so many Star Wars spaceships. This is really, really cool. Lots of cool stuff here at the Lego store in Orlando, Florida. Oh, there's Baby Yoda and the Mandalorian. Awesome. Check that out. Very, very cool. This is the most Lego Star Wars I think I may have ever seen in one spot, so this is pretty awesome. Now to just buy all of them. Oh, check out that Yoda. Very cool. Wow, look at all these colored bricks. this is the coolest Lego store ever. What do we got here? We got some cool keychains. I love some Star Wars Lego keychains. I see Yoda, Kylo Ren, we got a ship, we got some droids, BB-8, Chewbacca, very cool. Ooh, is that a Yoda lightsaber? We got some other pieces here you can add to your collection. This is really cool stuff. And what else do we got here? Some more accessories. And what is this? Ooh, a place to store your Lego action figures. That's pretty sweet. What a cool place this is. Dump truck.
I don't know. Look at this one.
So we left with a new DUPLO Bulldozer. So let's go ahead, print it out, and start building. Looks like we're just about done. Let's get that shovel in his hand. And thanks for watching, and don't forget to tune into more Block Play Toys. See you next time.